Princess of St. Jude and McBoom are the last pair. McBoomer in from 3-2 to even money. Latest click of the tote board is causing a delay. Favourite reluctant to enter gate 6. They've opened the front door to no avail thus far, and Bays is now out of the saddle of McBoomer. Now McBoomer is placed in riderless. Bays back aboard, stand by for a start. Racing. New Nature off nicely with Wanski. Then comes Incredible Journey, Princess of St. Jude, She's a Trip, and McBoomer on the outside. 3 lengths covers the field as New Nature and Wanski share the lead, completing a furlong. After 2 lengths come She's a Trip and a 3 wide Incredible Journey, with Princess of St. Jude a half length back between that pair, now easing back a clear 5th, and McBoomer on the outside is 6th. 3/4 of a mile from home, and New Nature slips to a length and a half lead over Wanski. She's a Trip a length off 3rd, and Incredible Journey ahead away on the outside. McBoomer moves to 5th, joining Princess of St. Jude. Past the 5/8 pole, New Nature by 2, Wanski 2nd. A further 2 lengths to She's a Trip, kept company by Incredible Journey. McBoomer spots the leader a half dozen lengths mid-race, and the great Princess of St. Jude is inside the favourite. Less than a half mile to go. New Nature strides along keenly. The lead increases to 3 lengths from Wanski and Incredible Journey. She's a Trip, McBoomer, and Princess of St. Jude 6th and last. 3/8 to go, and New Nature leads clearly around the far turn. Incredible Journey moves to 2nd. Wanski losing ground. She's a Trip coming off the rail. McBoomer 3 wide, now into 3rd position. At the top of the lane, it's New Nature by 4 lengths from Incredible Journey and 2 more to McBoomer. She's a Trip as 4th. New Nature coming to the 8th pole, still with a commanding lead from Incredible Journey, McBoomer, and She's a Trip. It's New Nature by 3 or 4 lengths still at the 16th pole. New Nature showing them a clean pair of heels from Incredible Journey. McBoomer can't even make the exacta, and New Nature too good. It's New Nature by 2.5 lengths. Incredible Journey 2nd, McBoomer 3rd. They were clear of She's a Trip, then Princess of St. Jude with Wanski. Number 1, New Nature, running out an easy winner of race 3, beating 5, Incredible Journey, and 6, McBoomer, with number 2, She's a Trip, 4th. The result is official. Placings officially 1562. Here is New Nature returning to the winner's circle. A 4-year-old bay filly by Strong Hope from the Valiant Nature mare Valiant Fighter. Bred in Florida by Mike Bossio and Cherie Abno. Owned by Nentwig, Newman and Pagano. Trained by John Martin and giving Ricky Gonzalez 2 of the first 3 races today. The $1 exacta pays $25.60. The $1 trifecta, 74 even. $1 superfecta, $148.30. The $2 double, $30.20. And the $1 pick 3, $37.40.